welcome back to my channel. That being said, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am super excited for what we have today because I love trying different cosmetics lines, different brands, and today what we have is the Jeffree Star mystery box. I decided to just get the small one for now because I haven't tried his products before, and without knowing, I know that they're highly recommended. That being said, I like to try things for myself, and what works for others doesn't always work for me. I know that they take it very seriously having it secured because I'm having an issue getting it to. Okay, so we got it open now. I am so excited because I have no idea what's in here, but it's supposed to have, I think this one came with 4 items. I really was super tempted to get one of the bigger boxes, but like I said, not knowing how I was going to feel about the formula, because I know there's supposed to be an exclusive lippy in here, not knowing how I was going to feel about the formula, I decided to play things very safe and just get the small one this time. If I love everything in this box, next time we're gonna be going big. So that being said, let's get into this box because I'm so freaking excited. Okay, oh, it's got black paper all in it. That's super cute. It's got all this black tissue paper in it, and right on top we have, it's got the green tissue paper with the little Jeffree Star. I heard that every time you order from him, you get a postcard, but I don't see a postcard. Maybe it doesn't come in the mystery boxes. Maybe you have to get just your regular product. So in this first one, oh my goodness, it is the mini breaker. I wanted this so bad. I've wanted the whole Jawbreaker line. Like everything in the Jawbreaker line is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. These are next level. Like when you say a shadow is soft, like these are super soft. I don't know how well you can see that, but oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. I am definitely going to have to play with this because, oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. That is a really super pretty palette. Like, and it's right up my alley. I love color. I love brightness. That gold, oh, what is that called? Slice? I don't know how well you can see it, but it's an orangey gold. Oh, she's gorgeous. Okay, clearly super excited about that. Let's see what else we have here. We have Cherry Wet. It's a velour liquid lipstick. And let's pop her out. Ooh. It's like a pinkish red. Oh, that's very red. Oh, that's very red. I'm going to have to play with that. I am definitely going to be playing with that, seeing how I feel about it. When I first get liquid lipsticks, I really like to give them a good swatch. Let them sit there. And then rub at them and see what they do. See if they dry down really well. See if they still feel tacky. See if they smudge. So, I'm going to definitely play with that. The next item we have is looks like a lip ammunition, yeah, a bullet lipstick in the color Brown Sugar. Oh, that's like a brownish gold. That's really pretty. That is so pretty. Oh, that with that slice color. Oh, is that slice? Yeah, that would be a look. And then last but not least, we have the velour liquid lipstick in Soul Sucker. Let's see what we got here. Everything is so super secure and so hard to get into. Like, they are not playing. Stuff is not coming from Jeffree Star Cosmetics broken and damaged. Like, oh, even just in the, I don't know how you can see that, in the bottle, that looks so pretty. So sparkly. Oh, okay, so it's definitely a black lipstick. Okay. I don't know if the other ones, I just didn't notice it, or if this one has a difference. This one smells, oh my gosh, this smells like cake frosting, like vanilla cake frosting. Now I have to smell the other ones and see if they smell like cake frosting too. Yeah. I literally just must not have noticed because now I want cake. Cherry Wet smells sweet, but it doesn't smell like cake frosting. But brown sugar and the Soul Sucker both smell like cake frosting. So you've got a Soul Sucker right there. It's black with orange glitter in it. That is so pretty. I don't know when I would wear it or where I'd wear it. But I have heard all of his makeup is eye safe. Not a lot of lipstick is eye safe, but I have heard that all of his is eye safe. So push come to shove, pop that baby up here, and we got ourselves a look. This was the $40 box. I'm really kind of stunned. Like, Jeffree, what are you doing? Like, this is, did you make a profit on this? He's not going to ever see this video. But did you make a profit on this? Because 3 lip products that are like $18 a piece and a $28 palette for $40 plus shipping and handling? Jeffree, I think you just ripped yourself off. Ooh, that Cherry Wet looks like it has dried down really nicely. It is not, it's, if you look, you can see where it's transferring a little bit there, but it's not coming off on my hand. That says a lot. Let's see Soul Sucker. Yeah, it came off a little bit, but it's a lot fresher on my hand. So we shall see, but oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with all 4 of these. Like I said, I have to work tomorrow, and I think me and the mini breaker will be definitely creating some looks because I love playing with color. I love doing eyeshadows that pop. And those purples are so pretty. I don't know what I'll do with bubblegum because, like I said, pinks like that, not the best look on me. But every other color in here, even Foreplay is a much, like, darker, almost purpley pink. This palette is so pretty. I'm blown away that this came in the $40 box. And I wish I hadn't been hesitant and I had gotten a bigger box because then I just would have had even more stuff to play with. Because I am definitely super happy with everything that came in this box. I might even have to wear Soul Sucker here soon on my lips and see how that works out for me. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below if you have Jeffree Star products, what your favorite products are. What you think I should try. What you think about this Soul Sucker. With it's black with orange glitter in it. Even like the 2, like that's so pretty. Let me know what your opinions are on the box I just unboxed. Let me know if you feel like I got a good deal for $40. Let me know if you think it could have been better. But as always, that being said, it was wonderful to have y'all watch my video, and I will talk to y'all next time.